Hey everyone, today I'll show you how to make a simple weapon in Roblox Studio. Open Toolbox and search for gun mesh, which will be our gun. Here it is. Now create a tool, move it into the tool, name it Handle, our model. Next, add attachments. Here you can adjust how the gun looks in your hands. You'll set that up later. Now create 3 scripts. This will be a simple script. It'll be created in the tool. Just a script. Then local script and remote event. These scripts have different names, but these two stay the same. This one's called gunfire. Let's name the tool tool gun. Yes, that's good. In local script, to save time, just copy this. Enter this command. Script. Input this command. If you want sound, it's better to do it like this. I'll take this, these are tips. So this is how it looks. Well, let's try to start the game and see. The weapon is picked up. Now let's create an enemy, our avatar, rig builder, avatar block. Let's move it here, and let's see if it deals damage. Here's our weapon. It fires, but without sound or purpose. For sound, we already have a script. We select audio here. Let's choose gunshot, okay? Download it. Put it in handle. Rename it to sound as in the script. Let's run it. Take the knife pistol. To hold it right, use attachment to adjust. There. Now it'll look correct. That's all. This was name. Goodbye, everyone.